My name is Sharon Oliphant. Welcome to my channel. This is super exciting. This is actually something I've been wanting to do for a long time, since quarantine specifically. I have watched so many encouraging videos by moms and people that are just starting out. And so I thought, you know what the heck? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna set it up and go and see where it leads, and just hopefully I can be a little bit of encouragement in each of your day. A little bit about myself if you don't know me, which most likely you do if you're watching this video, my first video. I am a wife and a mother. I'm also an actress and have studied alternative medicine and for my entire life, primarily my entire life. So I love health, I love nutrition. The type of channel that I'd like to have is a little bit of all of those things. We homeschool our children. I'm a stay-at-home mother right now to our 3 little girls, and quarantine has sort of thrown us all through a little bit of a loop in learning curve, and so I just want to encourage people that may need some encouragement. So what I wanted to do, this is funny, for my very first video, what I want to do is to talk a little bit about thrift store shopping. I know, of all the things to start off a channel on, this is just really exciting for me because I love thrift store shopping, and I see all of these back to school shopping and, you know, deals going back to school, and I just thought, what if I just pop on here and talk about thrift store shopping for your family and finding good deals and not breaking the bank. I also love frugal living and thrift store shopping. So what I did today, I set out everything that I've bought at the thrift store, and I wanted to share with you a little bit about how I do it. So when I go thrift store shopping, I first of all love finding good deals on really cute items, and in my mind, if I'm spending money on things that I love and 1 or 2 of the pieces just happen to cover the entire bill for what I've just shopped for, that's typically what I'm going for. So just a little bit about the shopping experience that I did today. I bought a ton. I bought a ton of stuff. I spent less than $200, but in the midst of all the shopping, I found a pair of Lucky brand leather boots that actually covered the cost of my entire shopping trip. So let me show you a little bit of what I got. Just wanted to do a little introduction to the kids. This is Eleonora. Say hi. Say hi. I'm a baby. I'm 1. Hello. She's so sweet and snuggly. Yeah.
I'm so sweet.
Aww. And then we have Coco. Oh, she wants to snuggle down there. Say hello. How old are you?
5.
You're 5? Yeah, where do you go to school? You're homeschooled? Yeah. Oh, we'll be right back. Hug? You want to get a hug? Say hi. Oh. Oh, so we want to introduce Genevieve to the channel.
Hello.
Hi. Genevieve is how old?
7.
And where do you go to school?
Home.
Homeschooled. And what grade are you in?
2nd.
2nd grade. Yeah. So we got a lot to talk about, don't we? Hey, hey. This is my rough and tough baby. Thank you, Gigi. So we have baby Ellie, Eleonora. Genevieve is Gigi. Colette is nicknamed Coco. So we have a lot of fun around here. We're gonna give you a little inside peek at what we do. Okay. So like I said, I love thrift store shopping, and I like to find things that have worth and that are quality. And if I'm going to go on like a shopping spree, I want to make sure, first of all, it's a good price and it's worth the money, but that we need it. I have a little bit of a habit of going to the thrift store and just kind of like going crazy because we have some amazing thrift stores in South Florida. But if I can find an item that I feel like is worth everything that I've spent, and then I can always like resell it, that is what I will do. So today, as you can see, I have, and this isn't even all of it, there's like a ton of stuff. I got 39 books. I got 39 books, 1 DVD. I got a leather bag. I got shoes. I got tons of clothes. I even got some costumes. We don't necessarily celebrate Halloween like a traditional family would, but we do love to dress up. We love to go to the fall festival, and it's just a lot of fun to dress up. So I bought a couple of costumes and some things for the little girls. So going back to what I was saying, I love to find that one item that will cover the cost of everything that I've bought if I was to like go to a regular store. So the thing that I got today are these beautiful Lucky brand booties. They're leather, they are gorgeous, and I love them. They are practically brand new. It looks like they've maybe been worn a couple of times. I bought these on half off, so you can see the price tag says $19.95. I got them for half off, and if you look on the website, you can see that they are upwards of $100 to buy these boots new. So I may sell them, I may wear them and then sell them, or I may keep them forever and sell something else. But that's just kind of like in my mind, not like a justification, but if it's things that I need, I shouldn't have to justify. I won't justify having to spend the money. Like we homeschool, so we go through a ton of books. Like I'm talking, we read probably sometimes 5 to 10 books a day. Not like your huge books, but you know, these little readers, I'm so excited about these. Step away from fashion for a minute. So the Magic Treehouse books are not cheap. Like if you buy them by a set, it's like $15 to $25 on Amazon. I got a ton of them at the thrift store today. So I ended up spending about $14 on books, but like we have the little baby books, and we have, you know, things for everyone. Like Eleonora, my baby, is 1. I have a 7-year-old and a 5-year-old. So this is like a super exciting find for me. I also got some really nice leather shoes for my husband, which he needed shoes for church, so we got those. I got myself, this is also my fall clothing, like my fall wardrobe, I guess you could say. I got some green, which is like my very favorite color, olive green shoes with a cute little heel, and they're adorable. They are literally, and they're Naturalizer, which seems like an expensive brand. I need to get on Amazon and find out how much they're worth, but they're probably also a pretty penny. I got a pair of hiking sandals, which are Obeo, and I looked them up, and they are anywhere from $50 to $70 for those sandals. So just in shoes alone, shoes and books alone, I feel like I hit the jackpot today, and I'm super, super excited. So I probably will put half of this video in fast forward mode. As you can see, I got a ton. This is all of the children's clothing that I got. Like really cute little fall tops. Just the sweetest. Look at this. I saw these at Target last fall, and they were expensive. You know, Target clothes aren't cheap, but they're good quality. So this today was $1 because it was half off. So I got that. I got a little cashmere, folks. This is a cashmere sweater for my daughter. I'm like, do I really want to put this on her, or should I just sell this? Made in England for Mark Cross, New York. So all cashmere, made in Great Britain. Yes, if you are not a resident of South Florida, it is worth it to fly here and go thrift store shopping. I got jeans for my little girl, just adorable little skinny jeans for my 7-year-old. Just the cutest little tutu leotards and things for their extracurricular activities or just to be playing in the house. An adorable, look at this little top. Just super, super cute. The find of the day, really, of all the things that I got, is this baby right here. As you can see, yes, my friends, it is a kilt. My husband is Scottish, and he is very proud of his Scottish heritage. So when I found this, and it was actually at Goodwill. It was at Goodwill, and I believe I paid like between $3.50. I think it was $3.50 or $4. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so I'll save you the just going through. Oh my goodness, look at this sweet little dress for Eleonora, for my baby. Oh my goodness, it's just the sweetest for fall. Oh my goodness, so I got a lot of like fall type items, but also we do live in South Florida, so I can still shop like warm weather clothes here all year round, and they will wear them with like a long sleeve shirt, but like little overalls and just the cutest, sweetest little stuff. Oh my goodness. Costumes, I got my daughter, Genevieve, my 7-year-old, Dorothy. So cute. And she has a pair of little red slippers that are just, they will go perfect. She actually modeled this costume for a little boutique last year, and so when I saw that, I thought, oh my goodness, she's gonna love that, and I don't have to spend $40 for it, because it's like, so it was half off today, so $5.99, it was $3 for her costume, so for Halloween. And then for Eleonora, for baby Eleonora, this is like the cutest thing ever. Look at this little ducky, and it even came with the little flippers. Oh my goodness. I did pay full price for this, which kind of hurt me, just my heart a little bit. It was $7.99, but I would have spent $25 on it, plus if I bought it new. So, oh, another thing we're really wanting to do this year is go on a ski trip if possible. So, ski stuff, I'm already looking for ski items to go skiing, and this was $2 at Goodwill, and just to rent these, let alone to buy them, is crazy exuberant. They were $2. So all of that, I got shoes, I got a leather bag, I got a little beanie for winter and fall for $1. Adorable little beanie. Just kind of like looked for things that I knew we were going to be needing soon that are in their sizes. And then for myself, I'm a little embarrassed to say I bought a ton. I got this Free People skirt, which was is a very good quality. I got shorts. I got, look at this. Just an adorable. I wish I could, maybe I should like make a video of just like showing you guys how it all looks. I got yoga pants. I got sweater. Primarily everything that I got for myself was from Goodwill. And I don't know if you guys shop at Goodwill, but if you become a member of their Good Friends Club, it's $25 for the year. But it saves you minimum 25% every time you shop there. And then sometimes they'll send you deals straight to your cell phone that just basically say, okay, so today you come in and you get 40% off instead of 25%. Or so today you come in and everything that you buy is 50% off. So you kind of look for those text messages and you save even more money. So I went in today and I saved $30. So basically it more than paid for my entire year's membership in one visit. I did spend money, but I got all my fall stuff. Like I got this really cute little maxi dress I'm super excited about. All of this stuff is name brand. I mean, I got a J. Crew linen shorts. I'm always needing shorts. Another olive green item. I have to wear those with my olive green heels. Cardigan. I got, I wish you could feel through the phone how soft this is. It is a adorable lounge sweater. I love it. Happy. This brand new, okay? Just a cute little fall with a scarf and some jeans. You know, just a cute, easy cotton sweater. I got a couple of I got 2 workout shirts and some workout pants. 2 pairs of lounge pants. I adore these. They're so soft and so comfortable. I did grab 2 bathing suits. I got just Guys, I'm telling you, thrift store shopping, it's almost like embarrassing to go into a store and see what people are paying for like 2 or 3 items. And I understand thrift store shopping is not for everyone. However, I love it. I mean, look at these cute little, we've got matching, oh, my favorite. I've been wanting a turtleneck. I got the cutest turtleneck, fall, that'll go with all things fall. I got my husband a Puma. I mean, this t-shirt alone, a Puma t-shirt alone is crazy amount, is a crazy amount of money. But anyway, this is my fall haul. I hope you love it. I just feel like for $180 something dollars, it's just really, really exciting. I mean, most of it's for me, but I've been needing a new wardrobe. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to make more content. Just, why not? It's a lot of fun. So, hope you guys are all having a great day. Bye. Go!